Hi guys, my name is Saba and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today when my boyfriend called me, he was like, let's have a date night tonight, and I don't have much time. Let's just quickly start the video. Okay, so first I use this Biolis moisturizing primer, and I don't use any other moisturizer. I'm thinking about what I'm gonna wear. I've been thinking about it for the past 2 hours and still no conclusion. For foundation, I mixed this Inline Persian foundation with this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. You can see everything is faded away. Anyways. I still use sometimes use this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter as a foundation, but it doesn't have that much of a cover. But this one is a full cover foundation, but it's too dark for me, so I always mix it with something lighter. Use a brush like this. I don't usually do full cover foundations, but I use them whenever I'm going to places that I want to look super dressed up and ready. Don't forget your neck. And for my concealer, I use this NARS creamy concealer in shade medium 1. I think I'm gonna wear my beige coat for the night with white shoes and a white bag and a light jean in light bronzer. I apply another layer of my concealer at the end of my makeup. I love the nights that I go out with the person that I love and I spend time with him. But date nights are my favorite. I mean, I love every time that we spend together. Not every time, but most of the times. But date nights are my favorites. And I think it's so important to go on dates every now and then, even though if you have been together for a while, it doesn't matter. Date nights are so important, so beautiful. I was thinking whether if I want to use a blush or not, and I want to use it. It's funny that my boyfriend says that I look so much better without makeup, and he doesn't like foundations. But I love to do a full glam every now and then, but most of the days when we are together, I am only using my concealer and my tint. Now the first Valentine's Day that we were together, it was like, why did you put foundation on your arms? And I was like, I'm not having any foundation on my arms, what do you mean? And he was like, no, but it's shiny and it has a little bit of color, and it was not a foundation, it was the Victoria's Secret shiny body lotions, and he thought that it was a foundation. He was like, what is it? Why do you do this to yourself? Why do you use this kind of things? And I was like, it's for you, duh. But yeah, that was our first Valentine's Day. Not the best Valentine's Day that we had, but and yeah, I just remembered that. Before him, I was more into full glam makeup. Since I've known him, because he hates foundations, I am doing more of natural looks. And I like them more now, especially for my everyday makeup. I'm gonna use this palette, a brush like this, to apply my eyeliner. I use this one. And I'm gonna use this one. Always tap your eyeshadow before you apply it. Then for my lips, I'm gonna use this Smashbox creamy lipstick. Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk highlighter. It's time to bake myself, actually. I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I use a brush like this. On the parts that I don't want them to get oily and look shiny. And in the end, I apply my setting spray. Yeah, this is it. Let me put my hair. And yeah. This is it. This is my very easy date night makeup. I thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.